Hi there, this is Yvonne LaRose, your career coach. Today, I'd like to talk with those of you who are engaged in job search now that you're over 45 or you've stepped away from the world of work for several years for whatever reason. Frustration is building because you sit trying to figure out why none of your applications are getting reviewed. It's tough getting back into the job market when you've been away from it for a while. It's even more difficult when you're at that taboo age of 45 or older. There are all those objections that keep getting in the way. Potential employers are probably raising the objection that technology has replaced many of the skills you have to offer. Or they're saying, you no longer are as skilled because of lack of practice and up-to-date knowledge. Then there's the compassion excuse that you won't feel comfortable working with and taking instructions from a millennial. In your cover letter, talk about the up-to-date knowledge you have because of you've been applying your knowledge in nonprofit endeavors such as because of your association with you're keenly aware of innovations in the industry. You've been attending classes and applying the concepts to real-world activities such as there are ways. Some of those things can also be shown in your resume. Idea. But it's important to realize what some objections will be so that you have an answer for that and you can put those concerns to rest. Actually, you're not over the hill. Far from it. The job market is now filled with 4 generations of job seekers. Show that you're still in the game and not only a good leader when needed, but you also know how to be a great team member. There's a way to this. This is Yvonne LaRose. Get out there, get refueled so you can make your new entrances.